Yeah, so Vidya, we spoke about the strategy, cloud strategy, but and also we spoke about change, which is equally crucial when it comes to cloud adoption. So we discussed some pointers there. Can you just elaborate on that particular part?
Definitely. I would like to state an example what we have faced in one of our customers. As Shankar was saying, we did a business strategy, cloud strategy defined for them. We did a business case, we came up with a cloud strategy, how they want to migrate to the cloud. But the major change they were not ready to adapt was change in the roles, change in the skill sets, change in the organization level. There were a lot of changes were happening and the people were not ready to adapt to that. And that was one of the major problems we see in most of the enterprise organization, because it's altogether a new change altogether, this digital transformation getting to the arc, right? And
No, but why do you think so? Don't you think the CIOs or IT directors would have preempted that?
Yeah, definitely. So see, CIO leaders, they would have, leaders are aligned, but the subordinates,
the next level.
employees,
Okay.
the next level of employees may not be aware of the changes. In some cases are they aware, yet they're not ready for the changes they are going into, right?
And what could be the impact? Let's say somebody is not prepared, but they get engaged.
Yeah.
Does it derail the whole timeline? And
Definitely. It would affect the timeline. It would affect the way we gonna engage with the customers. So we won't get the data which we are looking for to make their journey smooth and easy, right? And it would take tons together, multiple calls and multiple session with the customer to gather the
painful
data.
for everybody.
Definitely.
So what do you think organizations should do aside from a cloud strategy? What they should do even before they embark?
Yes, that's a very good question, because I think this is the one point many of the hyperscalers thought of, and they have come up with a plan altogether called as a Cloud Center of Excellence. They started building Cloud Center of Excellence team within the organization, where they identify the roles. Key leaders will be driving these discussions with the partners or with the hyperscaler to make this migration journey smooth. And they've also identified, the key roles will be playing this, will be part of this migration journey altogether. So, and as a partner, we conduct a session with them. We enable them. We identify the Cloud Center of Excellence team within their organization. Identify the key roles. What are the gaps they have? What are the certification they have to do? What is the future growth for them, or the future roadmap is what we help them to build in their org.
Interesting. So what I hear is, if I'm putting the cloud strategy post-pandemic, refresh it and marry it to the change management plan, and this has to be put together even before you roll forward within your organization. Yeah.
Exactly.